Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Coinbase Commerce for ETH checkout, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create a Shopify account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the settings section in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on payments in the settings menu. Scroll down to the alternative payment methods section. Click on choose alternative payment. From the drop-down menu, select Coinbase Commerce. You'll be prompted to create or log in to your Coinbase Commerce account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, you'll need to create a new API key. Navigate to the Settings tab in your Coinbase Commerce account. Click on API keys in the left sidebar. Select New API key to generate a key specifically for your Shopify store. Label your API key for easy identification. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Return to your Shopify payments settings. Paste the API key into the designated field for Coinbase Commerce. Make sure to check the options for order confirmations and conversion settings. Finalize your setup by clicking on the Activate button. Go back to your Shopify store and test the checkout process. Choose Ethereum as your payment method during checkout. Verify that the transaction completes successfully in your Coinbase Commerce account. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing and preferences. Now, your Shopify store is set up to accept Ethereum payments through Coinbase Commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.